if you need someone, don't let me know. I don't wanna build you up, then you leave me low. Yeah, whenever we play this game.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're gonna love it. And if you're not, welcome back. Today we're just gonna do a little get ready with me vlog. Just do my skincare, all that stuff, get dressed. Yeah, this is my first time doing one of these. No, it's not. I did a get ready with me when I was going to a party in college. But this is just a regular get ready with me, you know, normal day, cash, running errands type vlog. Also, I'm gonna just, you know, talk about everything that's been going on in my life recently, because I haven't really talked about that a whole lot. So this is gonna be, you know, a little girl talk too. Where should we start? Well, if y'all watched the last vlog, then y'all know I was in a relationship and I just got out of it recently. So that's been an interesting, for the least to say. And also, if you want any of these skincare products, I will have them linked in the DB. So watch out for those. Right now, I'm using the Byoma Hydrating Milky Toner. Love this stuff. Absolutely amazing. Now I have an apartment to myself, which is definitely different because this is my first apartment that I got, and I got it with my ex. I will say living on my own is definitely different. It has its pros and cons. I mean, it's definitely nice having all this space to myself. I don't have to pick up after nobody. If I make a mess, I can't blame nobody but me. But it's also, you know, it gets a little lonely at times. I think that's just because I got so used to having someone else there. But, you know, life is lifing. And then I started a new job. Absolutely hate it. Which is why I done already quit. But yeah, I was working as an Amazon delivery driver for, you know, a DSP. Also, what I'm using right now is Good Molecules their Niacinamide serum. Good Molecules, they done sent me a few PR and everything. Sponsor this video if you want. But just know I love y'all products. I use them all the time, hands down. So if you want to sponsor one of my future videos, feel free to. But yeah, I was doing an Amazon delivery driver, and I don't know if y'all know, but that is a tiring, laborious job. Getting out of that van multiple times, like 100+ times a day in 90-degree heat when it's in the summer, no ma'am. No ma'am. And I already have like problems with my blood sugar and stuff, so in the heat definitely don't be making for a good situation. I felt like I almost had to pass out like maybe 3 times in the couple of days I was in the vans. I was like, oh yeah, baby, no. So it's not even just like I didn't want to. It was like health-wise, it was not good for me. And I was staying hydrated. I was drinking like 3 bottles a day during my shifts and stuff. So, baby, don't say I wasn't hydrated. I wasn't drinking, because I was. But yeah, I just couldn't do it. But I am starting back up to school soon. It is actually, I didn't even tell y'all the time or anything. So let's see, it's August 3rd. It's a Saturday, and it's 1:18 in the afternoon. Kind of getting a late start to my day. What I just used was LaRoche Posay's Double Repair Face Moisturizer with SPF 30. I've been using LaRoche Posay for about 2-3 years now. I've been using their cleanser and their moisturizer liberously. Like, I love it. And it just, I don't know, it makes my skin look so dewy and glowy, and I love it. My last final step, I just spray some rose water. This is the Heritage Store brand. I really like this too, especially like I keep it in my purse when I'm just like on the go And you know, if I'm, you know, just needing a little, if my face needs a little booster, a little moisture, I just spritz a little bit on my face and it gets me through the day. But yeah, so it's August 3rd. Like I said, school starts back up August 25th, 25th or 26th, whatever that Monday is. So we're going to be busy. And then I have an interview in 4 days on Wednesday for Starbucks. And honestly, I'm just about to be probably door dashing just to make a little extra money until I can find something else. But yeah, that's what has been going on with life currently. So a whole lot. But I am done with my skincare. So let's go ahead and get these clothes on. I already have an outfit set out. It's on my chair back there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's right there. And I think it's going to be really cute. So let's jump into that. All right, let's go ahead and get dressed, y'all. So first off, we have this skirt. I got this from Shein. I don't know if it's still on there, but if it is, I'll put it in the DB and then I'll also put it on the screen. But this skirt is so cute. Because it is, even though it's still kind of warm, it is rainy today, so I don't want to wear shorts. And that's how that fits. Okay. Oh. This is the shirt we're going with, which I think this is really cute just because you have on the two different grays with a little pink. It's kind of faded now, but it's still cute. Right, and then we're gonna do a jean jacket just because it is raining and it's probably gonna get cold later. So we're gonna pair this with a jacket. And already it's starting to come together. I am going to do my hair and then finish putting everything else on just so I can give y'all the final look. But if y'all see what we got now, then you know it's going to look good. Okay, we're in the bathroom now. I'm just taking my hair out of this ponytail. And I have literally so many ponytails. Look how many I have up here. And I have so many more in every other place of this apartment. I did do my hair yesterday, so it's not bad. It's just kind of, you know, straight or like flattened out in the parts where it was in the ponytail for. So I'm just going to get it damp, put a little more product in it, and then we should be good to go. Which if you watch my last vlog, I did the exact same thing in that one. So there shouldn't be anything new.
What you see in me gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe.
That's really it. Really quick, really simple, very easy, very much so. But now that I'm done with my hair, because I already brushed my teeth and my skincare, all of that, rada-da-da-da-da, I'm going to go finish getting dressed, and I will let y'all know what it looks like when we're done. Okay, so y'all seeing the full outfit. I might pair some glasses. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm going to put some extra jewelry on because I just have my nameplate necklace. I'm going to go in ahead with my, these are honestly, my go-tos. I done had these for years, and I used to wear these. Are like my staple pieces, to be honest. I'm gonna wear this one. It's supposed to be like a Gemini type of pendant, but I think it's just because it has the 2 people or whatever. And then I'm gonna wear this one. This one's my Nefertiti one. And then I'm gonna go in with these gold bangles. And I think that's it for real, for jewelry, because I don't want to overdo it. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide these on, which I know it might be unpopular opinion, but I don't think you have to have your, you know, your arm exposed for you to wear bangles. I think they look cute regardless. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. This one hangs longer, so I always put this one on last. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this Gemini one on. Because if you didn't know, your girl's a Gemini. Get you a S. Oh, that's the wrong way. Put this on. And this one's actually really easy to put on because it has a really big clasp. So this one I usually don't have problems with. Because it's real simple. And just like that. Just like that. And then I'm gonna put... Actually, I might just put this one on. Because if I'm not mistaken, I think this one hangs like right here. Let's put it on. Let's see. Let's see. This one is harder to put on because it's so tiny. And yet, I got it. Okay, no, that's cute. Okay. So, got the bangles, got some extra jewelry. And then I think I'm going to wear a couple rings. I think I'm going to go in with this one. And then this one. Now, these I think only fit my ring finger. So I'm going to just put those on that. Or actually, I'm not going to wear this one. I'm going to keep the other one, but I think I'm going to pair it with this one. This one's really cute. So I'm gonna wear this one on this hand just because I have a lot of jewelry on this. Ooh, wait a minute. Let's try that on. And then I think this one still fits. Yep, my ring. And now we are decked out for the jewelry. I don't know, I used to wear this one on my ring finger, but I don't know, it feels a little tight. And I don't want to risk not being able to get it off. So, and I know these ones are going to be too big. Honestly, as much as I want to wear this, I do want another ring on that hand. So we're just going to wear this one like I originally planned. Oh, that one feels tight too. I don't know, maybe my ring finger on this hand, I don't know, is it swollen? I don't know, that's weird. Okay, well... This one doesn't really match. At least I don't think so. Because this one's silver. And I don't want to... That's silver and purple. So I'm not going to wear that one. But yeah. So this is all the jewelry that we're going to wear. But since I already have bangles on this, I'm going to switch this to my other hand. So I have something on that hand. There we go. So now we're good. All right, I'm gonna go see what this looks like with glasses and pick out a purse, and we're gonna see which one looks best with this outfit. I don't think I'm gonna do any glasses today, but I am gonna do my tote purse with this outfit, and I'm gonna show y'all everything. This is the finished result. This is the full outfit, and I don't know about y'all, but I think it's giving. Into the jewelry. Okay, little gold moment. I think it's giving, but all right, that is it for our Get Ready With Me vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope you had a good time, and come back for the next one. Bye, Bookies.
Boy, if you need someone, don't let me know. I don't wanna build build you up, then you leave me low. Yeah, whenever we play this game.